Fellow wet shavers, today is Saturday and it's early in the morning, and this is numero 10, number 10, shave. So today I wanted to shave with something different, and I was kind of reviewing Game of Thrones during the week. There were some chapters that I wanted to see again and whatnot, and I decided to shave with Lather Bros Soaring Fire. This is an homage and a take on Dior's Fahrenheit, and of course the famous TV series Game of Thrones. An amazing logo, has a little bit of a branding and seal like the old days from Lather Bros. Lather Bros was my second shave. This is the matching aftershave with the same logo and stuff. Great scent. And like I was saying, Lather Bros was my second soap that I use in my video with El Barbero, the barber. Amazing stuff from this couple in Miami, Florida, that started their own soap shop a couple of years ago. Like most of the artisans, it became a hobby, the wet shaving, and after that it just became a small business, and their soaps are truly amazing. So I will be using the fine razor from Fine Accoutrements. Really nice razor too, really nice razor. Inside I preloaded it with a Parkii premium platinum blades, which are also one of my favorites. I will use baton vintage brush with silver tip badger knot that I bought up from Maggart's. Bought this handle in eBay and just restored it and put this knot in there. And the scent of the day for me, just to match it with the homage, is Dior Fahrenheit Parfum. Small because it's hot. I think one or maybe two sprays, and it's gonna last me through the day. So I will be prepping up real quick, and I'll be right back with you. Okay? See you in a few. So okay, let's do this. So hydrated the skin. Just got out of the shower. Put some warm water with a towel. My face just to soften up. Got 2 days of growth. Last shave was Thursday, and soaking the brush. Badger hair needs to be hydrated. I will be using the infamous Pereira bowl. Smell is amazing. I don't smell quite like the Dior Fahrenheit DNA, which is petrol and the jasmine, but hey, let's rock it. Let's give it a roll. Man, thank God it's not only Friday, thank God it's Saturday. Lots to do. We'll try to be quick, not to get carried away. Now it's exploding, the scents are exploding. It's a pretty fragrant soap. I think it discontinued. This soap is no longer available. I think I found this on eBay. With the matching splash. I bought it brand new. One of this online retailers on eBay. Look at that. Look how it's lathering up. This is just an amazing. If you haven't tried Lather Bros, go right ahead. I think Murphy and McNeil in the used marketplace, they carry it also. I bought from them, from Murphy and McNeil. I bought the Irish Cubano. I bought Calle Ocho, which has tobacco, guava scent. And the Irish Cubano is a take on green Irish tweed with tobacco, with pipe tobacco. very Cuban. Man, look at that. No joke. No joke. Hey Tim from Tim Shaves. Right above your alley. Not above your alley. I'm just kidding. Yesterday I saw a video from Ken, Shea 326. Man, the candlelight tag video. I saw it very late. Your time zone in Hawaii versus mine here in Puerto Rico. That I'm Eastern time. Eastern time. So I wake up very early in the morning. A lot of things to do here in the apartment. I will be receiving some people to do some work, so I need to get some estimates. And Saturday is laundry day for me. Keep Sunday to be relaxed. Don't know if I'll be going to the beach or no. Things are not pretty outside. Like we call it in the military, things are not pretty outside the wire. And inside the wire too. COVID cases have risen up. Florida, I think 8,000 plus cases in one day. It's just crazy. It's just it's not what you look for, especially after everything that has been going on. It's just crazy. So this is number 10 shave, and like I always say, like clearing the runway. That's from Geo Fat Boy from Shave Nation. One of the first videos that got me into wet shaving. You know, when there were a small few wet shavers and business owners doing videos. So this is a great razor, but pretty efficient. Let me see. Yeah. Pretty efficient. So, yeah. Gives you great feedback also too. Man, the scent is great now. I'm starting to oh yeah. Scent of this soap is great. So just catching up with a couple of you guys on your videos in Facebook. I'm just jumping around and running errands, doing stuff in here. It's not, man. I'm pretty happy and stoked. Received the order that I placed through Stonefield in Canada. Give a shout out to Jonathan Steinfield. Man, thank you very much. I was so surprised that that everything got in before from Canada, before stuff that I already placed orders in the US. I ordered from Declaration Grooming a couple of soaps and aftershaves, and from like the beginning of the month. And the order that I placed last, which was the aftershaves, because they were not in stock, they were restocking, like 3 days after, just got in yesterday. And the order for the soaps, which was the first order that I placed, it is like, I don't want to say it, but well, let me summarize this. think Declaration Grooming, Scott, is based out of Michigan, right? So it went from Michigan to a distribution center. I don't know if it was Ohio or something. Ohio. Went to Miami, according to the tracking, went to Miami. And then from Miami, it went up to Queens, New York. And after that, and Queens, New York, and it was in Queens like in the 12th of June, 12th. And from the 12th, and today is the 27th, in transit to the next facility. Yeah. In transit. So I received the aftershaves. Thank God. And the soaps, I received a text message tracking the packages through USPS. It's supposed to be here today before 8 p.m. And you know how that goes. Today is well, when they say you're gonna receive it today, Saturday, is like Monday or Tuesday next week. Same thing happened with the packages from A&E. From the Shaving Shop Club. Loco, crazy. Like I was saying, yeah. Trying to keep up with all the content that all the wet shavers are putting in. From JR, they do the shaving, from DK, from Ken, from Chris, from Lottie Dottie, everybody. The Pouty Tim soap also is coming my way. Man, this soap is slick and fragrant too. It's a great soap. I'm gonna do a pass real quick, finishing up pass. Let's do I'm enjoying the scent. Put some more water here. Oh man. Look. Hey, see Lather. You live up to your name, Lather. Lather Bros. Look at that. Subscription status. I'm up to 46. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to reach 100, and I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway because it became a theme of giving out stuff, and I have a lot of stuff, and this is a brotherhood. You know, I appreciate that you're, joining me and keeping me company and commenting, learning as I learn from you. So yeah, I don't mind giving away stuff because stuff is just material, and if I have and I can share, I'll do it. So I'll announce my prices. I'm gonna do like two stuff. I'm gonna give away like 1 or 2 items, but that's gonna be 100 when I reach 100. I seen Rasa last time I saw his video. Man, Rasa, you are speeding up, man. I don't know if you have like 60 already. Jesus. Señor, you are running. Rasa seems to be a great guy. I'm enjoying his videos also. Did I cut myself? Uh-oh. Talking and shaving. That's what you get for not paying attention. Yeah. Let me. Nah. I was gonna pause the video to just clean up. So this is gonna be a long day, and it's getting quite hot. I'm gonna try to do a little bit of cardio, get some breakfast. By the time you watch this video, it's gonna be like noon or something, I guess. Oh man, see, even the top cap has the seal. Takes you back to like those Tyrion Lannister and the Jon Snow of days. Oh yes, great scent. This was a great shave. Yeah. Oof. Yeah. Just to make it quick. Thank you very much for joining me, subscribing also to my channel, and I got a shout out. Oh, so Linda James from Purely Skinful. I tried the Dior tallow soap. This one, the connoisseur. Man, this is Canadian soap. Cigar parlor notes of chocolate scented tobacco with undertone of whiskey, rum, and tonka. Certainly, you'll be seeing a lot from this soap because the scent is amazing. And also, Antoine Shave Shop. This is a Stonefield soap that is made by Linda also. Leather bourbon tobacco. Let's see if you can see it. See if you can see the logo from the connoisseur. So I have also the beef tallow soap, which is called High Roller. It's down there. I did a lather test right after I received it, and it's just, and the lotions also from them, very good, very good. They it's just very nourishing and contain witch hazel, and also the lotion from Antoine's. This is the brand from Stonefield. Very nourishing, and the scent is just amazing, guys. So thank you. I will leave you because it's not, I don't want this to be a half-an-hour video. So I'll talk to you soon, and I will be doing some shaving. Man, I'm sweating. So take care. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.